There are 4 ways to quickly add videos to your programs. The first way is you can upload your own. And so to do that, just go to Add a New Action, go to Video. And here you'll just click Upload Video, go to Choose a File, and you can add a file to your video, and it will automatically add it. And there you go, it shows up. We'll see what this looks like. They can watch the video here. The second way you can do it is by recording in the platform. So go to Video. And when you click here, go to Record. And this allows you to record a video right here in the platform. And it looks like this. So that's what that looks like. The third way is you can add a link to a YouTube video or Vimeo. The way you're going to do that is actually to go here to Web Link, and this will show the video window right here within the program. Okay, so go get your link. Come back here, paste it there. And it will show up like this. And the fourth way you can do this is to embed a link. And this is especially helpful for something like a Loom video. So Loom is a great screen recording tool that lets you record your screen while also a video of yourself explaining or walking people through what's on your screen. This is a free tool. There's also paid versions, but this is great if you want to quickly record a video to add to your Gnowbe programs. And so once you record the video, it will give you a link. Now to add a Loom video to your Gnowbe program, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either download it and upload it into Gnowbe, or you can go to Share and go to Embed and get the embed code. Now, once you have the code, paste the code and then copy the embed link. And we're going to add that link to our platform. So go to Web Link. Paste that here. And you'll see this is the special code specifically for the embed code. And this will have the Loom video show up directly in your screen, so you don't even need to download it in order to add it. So those are 4 ways to quickly and easily add videos to your Gnowbe programs.